Hello, come on in. Let's show you our room here at Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort. First time we stayed here. I've always wanted to stay here as a kid. That's a long time ago. Let's start with this room. This is a king room. So we have our bathroom here. Single basin sink, updated backsplash. Little shelving here with your toiletries. Glass, okay? We have our plastic, but we have our glass. And if you drink wine, or if you drink bourbons, or anything else that you want to taste good, glass. So we have this, bunch of folded towels, your soaps, single shower walk-in, no bathtub, so you know, if you have people who can't step over high ledges and things, this is perfect. And then you have your commode in there. Full length window. And even the hardware on these doors is pretty solid. It's good stuff. So, you know, you look at yourself before you go out for a night at the parks or at the clubs, and you're good to go. Closet storage, ample closet storage. Look at that. And you got your extra blankets, stuff for the bed, for the pullouts, ironing board, luggage rack. Most people don't use that, but you should use that. You know why? Because you're going to see in a minute when you're with your kids, you can make a little bit extra room by putting your suitcase in the closet on that thing. Valet service, iron, wood hangers, and safe for your unmentionables, i.e. wallet and money. Go back here, a little coffee bar, some bottled waters. There's no indication of pricing, so I'm assuming I can drink that for free. More glass, high end. How often do you see that in a hotel room? We got tongs for the ice. We have our coffee bar, Tazo teas. We have wild berry, or wild sweet orange, that is, Earl Grey. And then we have Starbucks coffees with authentic paper, which, the glass thing, if you put bourbon in that, it's gonna eat right through it. So you need glass or plastic. It tastes worse than plastic, tastes better in glass. So there you go. Over here, we have our flat screen TVs, our dresser, nice deep drawers, a little bit of a sofa. I'm not sure if this is a pull-out. It is a pull-out sofa. A little working table here. Playing your day at the parks using the Disney app. We have a nice view here of the Swan. So we're at the Dolphin. There's the Swan. This is huge. Look right over there. You can see Hollywood Studios. There's Tower of Terror over there. Get a shot of that, cameraman. So that should look pretty cool at night. They light that up and put a bunch of light graffiti on that. A little side note from Tim the Tracker, there's actually fountains in those bowls, which I cannot see from here. But he says it on his video, so I trust him. You can see the fountains over there. They have boat service to some of the parks, and you can walk to the boardwalk in the yacht club, where there's pretty good steak there. Okay. Some of the suites have balconies. We do not have one, but that's fine. I don't like heights, so I'm probably not going out there anyway. King size bed. Nice. Pretty close to the Westin Heavenly bed, which, as you know, as a chiropractor, I support and endorse. Plugins. USB charger. Now, I would rather have them on both sides of the bed, but there's always room for improvement. Okay? All right. So this is the parlor connecting the two. Here we have a dining table, so when you have your whole family, and maybe you don't want to spend all the time with them, but maybe you want to spend some meals with them, we have this. We can go down to Shula's Steakhouse, we can order our food, we can bring it back here. We can maybe order room service. A nice credenza here, storage for my hat, my glasses, and my sunglasses, which I probably won't be able to find later. But it's a good place for them. Another window, some nice plants. No charger on that lamp, which is interesting. But the decor is pretty good. They added some beams to the ceiling here, updated it. I like it. A little bar here. You could actually order a buffet to be served. We can have room service, another small refrigerator, another coffee maker, and then more glass and water. Here's the entry. Another main bathroom, because you know when you got a family together, usually you all have to use the toilet and or the shower at the same time. So what we have is more storage, a second safe, ironing board, iron, More bedding, plenty of bedding in here. I dig it. What's the use of having 2 rooms attached with a parlor and not having all the other stuff in it? Another commode, another shower, walk-in, updated, first-class hardware. Look at that. Be a nice shower. So by the time we're done, we're gonna have 3 toilets, commodes, and showers. We're a family of 5, as most of you know. Again, shelving, top level, first class. This isn't pert, okay? This is not, no offense to the pert people, this is not pert. This is high-end, first class body lotions, bath lotions, shower gels, conditioners, okay? There we are. Nice. Plenty of towels, by the way. Plenty of towels. Hair dryer. Now, a lot of you know, if you have wives, no offense to wives, you blow out a hair dryer probably a week, okay? None of them are powerful enough. They bring their own. We have 3 hair dryers in this place. So there we go. Another full-length mirror, so we can check to make sure our gear is on point. Make sure we're on fleek when we go to the clubs. Mickey's Club, the restaurant downstairs, maybe the pool, I don't know. When you get my age, you go to bed at 6 o'clock, so it is what it is. Come over here. This is better than my house. They will actually ship in loafers for you that will sleep on your couch for you for free. We have an L-shaped sectional, updated furniture, beautiful chairs, very comfortable too, by the way. Another flat screen TV, tons of storage over there. I'm not quite sure what I would use that for. Maybe to hide all the stuff I bought from the parks. You're welcome, Disney. And then we have another room over here. This is our double room. This is where our children will sleep. Beloved children. Notice the distance they are away from us. Our bedroom over there. Parlor. Their bedroom. 2 double beds, 4 pillows per bed, chair for seating, more storage, unpack your stuff. You're here for a week, you know. I like to unpack my stuff. Some people will leave it in their duffel bag. You know, I like to feel at home. Another seating area where you can do your homework. You can work from here, get your laptop set up there, and still work and make money instead of being here and being on vacation and losing money like I am. Another closet, plenty of storage, another safe, ironing board, luggage rack, wood hangers, more blankets, iron, like we could feed this whole hotel with coffee. We could open a coffee bar here for the top floor. Another ice bucket, glass, another commode. This is a little wider, right? More of your lotions and potions to make your skin glisten. Skin, by the way, is the largest organ of the body. You need to take care of it. So you have your potions for that. Nice perimeter lit mirror. Look at this. This is really cool. This is one piece. I like this. It's not your Corian. That's outdated. I mean, come on. This is good stuff. Commode. This is the only traditional bathtub, which is fine. Maybe you like to take a bath. You have options here in this room. You have 2 walk-in showers, and you have a bathtub that you can just soak after you're really sore. Because by the way, us old people, from being in the park all day, it hurts sometimes. And the hot tub out there may or may not be enough. So there we go. This is the double king with connecting parlor at Walt Disney World's Dolphin. You have all the benefits of being in a traditional Walt Disney Resort, but honestly, the cost is, you can't beat it. It's a convention hotel. There's a ton of amenities, ton of restaurants. We'll cover some of those later because we got a lot of fun tips. And we're not the traditional YouTube family on the vacation channels. Nothing wrong with them. We love them all, follow them all, make my plans off of them all. But we do it a little different. So be sure to like and subscribe our page. See you soon.